Okay, what we're looking at doing is running a freeze board, come down about 5.5, 6 inches, wrapping around at the soffit, Tapcon to the brick, and trim it out on the front of this. We've got a storm door and man door going in here, and a storm door and man door going on the side. Same swing. This storm door is going to get reused, so we're remove and reinstall it. The other storm door, we got to replace it. And this man door is going to be done, new sill and everything. We've got siding that's coming down. We're going to have to bring this back wall down to below this window, right down to this course here. So we'll bring that right down and get it, find the wall studs and make sure that we get it all in and back up and running. And then on the garage, we're going to do the top 3 courses on the garage. We're going to have to bring them down and get those secured. What's this black plate?
That's where I had my furnace before.
Oh, okay. Oh, I see. Okay, gotcha. So, yeah, because you can see. Do you have any of the siding left by chance? Is there a piece left? No? So we got this. So we should be able to slide this over, I think. But a lot of these are coming right down. You can see where this is just all coming off. Okay? And if we can't get the wall studs to grab, then we're going to go ahead and make a freeze board up top so we can do a face nail and then cap it off.